Um, you know, Building a home or a building, big or small, is a large, important, and often very personal project and investment that owners, designers, and builders get involved with. They devote their minds to it, and often their hearts and souls as well. And we at Logix Brands never fail to appreciate when we're chosen to play a part in making these dreams and aspirations come true for our customers. And our most outstanding commercial, well, let's take a step back here. We've got a couple of different commercial buildings we're going to be profiling. And you know what? They're each going to look at the advantages of building with Logix ICF in different seasons. So these are two builders constructing in two different seasons, gaining benefit from constructing with ICF. So our first project we want to recognize is the first runner-up in this category. It's a Classy Chassis. The Logix Territory Manager, Mark Gifford, carries lumber and building supply, the local Logix dealer providing the product and the support, and Clifton Land Company, the builder of this fantastic light commercial building. This building is a car wash facility built in Williamsville, New York. It's 4,500 square foot footprint, and it involves 4,000 square feet of Logix wall. It was built in 12 days, the Logix portion, at a labor rate of 0.08 man hours per square foot, and that's a very efficient labor rate. So Clifton obviously knew their way around this. They've been building car washes with Logix foundations for years, but now with this project started using Logix for more complex commercial construction. So this was a winter build. Okay, so this now we can actually talk a little bit about how Logix helped Clifton maximize efficiency through a cold New York winter. Speed of construction was a paramount factor here because it allowed Logix allowed the builder to construct the facility during winter months, allowing the car wash to open at their close to their target date in the spring. So getting the incoming revenues earlier. And plus, with the COVID-19 shutdowns and the extended lead time on lots of materials, it placed even more emphasis for Clifton on the need for a product that was quick and easy to construct. That being said, they hit rock at shallow depth during excavation. Footer had to be pinned with stone with deeply bored holes, accepting 8 and 6 rebar. It was a fairly complicated build. If you look at the massive they're pretty big windows. And lack of interior walls for structural support. There's 14-foot high tall walls that had to be braced and engineered to comply with state and local building codes. Had to support the walls and the ceilings. So they had to custom fabricate anchors and sheath trusses into the Logix wall system. Had to make sure that the tall walls, 14-foot tall walls, met all the wind loads with all the custom I-beam and truss mounting plates that were required. But you know, the solid Logix interior walls are a perfect substrate for Clifton to attach the FRP panels, which they needed to do for just the nature of this car wash. So that's fantastic. Then when you look at the exterior, the carrying of stone over the doors and archways, they use rolled stainless steel arches to support the concrete and stone. And around the windows and openings, they actually cut back the foam, the ICF foam, to allow for full depth concrete. Here's some of the detailing that you can see, and it's just a wonderfully detailed building. The R value delivered by the Logix wall system is critical in helping maintain a comfortable work environment for Classy Chassis employees throughout the year. And the added benefit actually is during the winter construction, it made for a very comfortable environment for the construction crew during the winter. So for saving substantial money in construction costs and making an immediate impact on reduction in energy consumption, and for simply transforming a site that was transformed from a rundown abandoned gas station to a beautiful quality design construction facility we want to recognize Mark Gifford, Carey's Lumber, Clifton Land Company for classy chassis.